baby.
Hello mga titas! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video guys, I am very excited because I just realized na hindi pa pala ako gumagawa ng first impressions or hit or miss unboxing from Sunnie's Face makeup line. It's already Burbank and I know a lot of people are going out for parties now. Parang feeling ko everywhere, parang it's getting back to normal, especially here in Dubai. So why not create a very sultry halo eye look for you guys? So if you are new to my channel, my name is Jen and I am a beauty and fashion enthusiast who wants to encourage all the titas out there that you can also wear makeup so you can feel confident no matter what age you are in. And don't worry, because I am a fellow tita like you and I am here to guide you. So if you are a tita like me, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and also click the notification bell so you'll always be updated. Whenever I create, nabubulol na ako. But anyway, whenever I create a new vlog or tutorial like this one. So guys, if you are curious, let's start glamming. So I already primed my face with my MAC Fix Plus and I already applied my foundation and concealer just to make everything a little bit faster for this tutorial that I'm going to make for you guys. Apparently, I don't have the blur stick that Sunnie's Face recently launched. Ito yung the perfector stick nila and it kind of helps with blurring your imperfections like yung mga pores and everything, and they also have the balm which will make your skin glowy. I don't have that yet, so Sunnies, if you want to send me those, I am willing to accept them. So if you guys have been following me for a while now, you know how much I love Sunnie's Face. For this look, as much as I wanted to use all the products that they have, I only got few of these, and sa totoo lang, ang tagal ko na tong ginagamit. I also wanted to get that time some highlighter because you know I'm crazy about highlighters. However, during that time, everything was sold out. Ang Sunnie's Face kasi for me, it's best for quick, on-the-go look, but never hulas kind of makeup. Yung mga products nila, although for some it is a little bit pricey compared to other cheaper brands, however, I believe that they truly deliver when it comes to consistency. And to be honest, alam niyo naman yung pinagdadaanan ng skin ko, and every once in a while I'm having breakouts. But with Sunnie's Face, to be honest, I don't experience breakout when I use them. So that's one of the things that I'd like to consider when I'm using makeup. Bakit may aeroplano? And if guys, hindi nyo pa napapanood yung Sunnie's makeup lipsticks na ginawa ko last time, I really had fun creating that video. So if you guys wanna take a look and see kung ano yung mga perfect lipsticks and lip dips that you can use during daytime, please, it's on the screen right here or here. I'm going to use this lip dip and it's on the shade Obsessed. What I can say about the packaging, it is very minimalist. So this lip dip, it has a very strawberry red shade and it also smells like strawberries. So if you guys love the scent of strawberries, then this one is your go-to. This lip dip also has a mousse finish and it is very lightweight compared to any matte lipstick. So what I'm going to do now is to just apply it all over my lids. Lahat ng ilalagay nating powder is magsistick dito. So no need na to apply any concealer on your eyelids. So if you want to go deeper on the eyelids, you can also keep on applying some color, but just take your time in building up the color. So I did the other eye off cam para lang mas mapabilis tayo sa tutorial na to. So eto na yung magiging base ng makeup look natin. I am going to use Morphe 35B palette. Ito yung pinaka-fun ko kasi na palette na kumbaga halos lahat ng kulay na I could ever think of is included already in this beautiful pigmented palette. So I'm going to use this color right here. I'm going to use a much more dense na blending brush compared to the fluffy brush that I normally use. Kasi kailangan mas more on focus tayo ngayon sa pagla-blend. I am just gonna slowly dab of the color first on my eyelids and start blending. This is going to be a halo eye look. I just focused mainly on the outer corner and the inner corners, but I also blended them all together in between para lang medyo seamless yung pagkaka-blend natin ng ating eyeshadow. So now that it's done, I am going to use another brush, which is my favorite. This is my Pro Precision Smudge Brush. I'm going to use the Wild Berry shade right over here. Last part, I am going to deepen the intensity using the shade Bitsby. Ito yung darkest shade na gagamitin natin this time. And again, I'm just going to deepen out outer corner and my inner corners using this shade para lang mag-intensify yung look na gagawin natin. Now that I already got the right amount of pigment that I want for my eyes, dito naman gagaling yung halo effect, and I'm going to use this favorite concealer of mine, my NARS concealer. So if I'm gonna look straight in the mirror, this is where I'll see my eyeball. Dito lang tayo maglalagay ng concealer. Using a very, very flat brush. There. I'm just gonna smooth it out. I am going to apply my favorite. This is our Super Shock highlighter. And kaya ko gusto to, guys, kasi medyo reflective siya. So, para talagang pansin na pansin yung mata mo once you apply it. So, I'm just going to use my finger right here. And I'm just gonna slowly dab kung saan ako naglagay ng concealer. By the way, guys, ipapakita ko lang sa inyo kung ano yung sinasabi kong sobrang reflective. See? So, guys, eto na siya, and it doesn't look like it's properly blended. So, ang key dito, guys, para medyo mukha namang seamless yung pagkaka-layer natin ng mga products sa eyes natin, we're going to use another brush, and it is another flat brush that I'm using, pero mas flat kasi to compared dito. So, Wild Berry, once again, papatungan ko kung saan tayo naglagay ng concealer kanina. So, here it is. And I'm just gonna slowly, para lang magmukhang blended yung ginawa nating halo effect. Compared dito na parang harsh yung mga lines, dito parang nagkakaroon siya na transition when it comes to the color. So now I'm going to tightline everything, and I'm going to use my Kylie lip liner in the shade Candy Cake. And I'm going to do water lash line, and again I'm going to start with the shade Chicory and Beats Me. I'm just gonna mix them both and apply it on my water lash line. It's slowly coming together. What we're going to do now is to, of course, apply my highlights in the tear duct right over here. Lemonade. May glitter effect siya, guys. So now we're almost done. Para lang medyo slowly natin silang makita na they're coming all together, I'm just gonna quickly do my brows. And I'm going to use my Smashbox brow pencil. And I'm just gonna fill it in. Back in the brows are filled. So, of course, guys, hindi pa tayo tapos sa pag-makeup natin using Sunnie's Face. But to start with the blush on that I have. If you have the most perfect skin na hindi nyo kailangan ng foundation, you just need a moisturizer, a sunblock, and this, your face is going to look flawless. As in, sobrang flawless ng pagka-flush ng face nyo, and mukha lang kayo nag-swimming, natan ng konti, naarawan, and you look flush, and your skin looks healthy. However, for me, ako kasi, I cannot live without foundation. Although, during this quarantine season, of course, I don't apply any foundation anymore because I'm already breaking out. So, the more pa pag nag-foundation ako. I'm just going to use my fingertips when I put my blush. Ang gusto ko dito, madali siyang spread. The only concern that I have with this product is if you already applied your foundation, it's going to look patchy. So, make sure lang na once na nakuha niyo na yung product sa hand nyo, blend it right away and slowly build up the color. para hindi siya magmukhang patchy sa mukha niyo and hindi kayo mahirapan i-blend. And isa pang concern ko, I have an oily skin. So, usually these products, they don't last. So, what I do usually is I set it again with the powder. So, guys, tip ko yan sa inyo, if ever you're going to use any cream blushes on your face and you have an oily skin, always set it with a powder para mas mag-stick yung product sa face nyo and it will stay for a longer period of time. So, does it match my skin tone? By the way, I'm using the shade Disco. Ito yung shade niya. Bagay ba siya sa skin tone ko? Yes. But is it going to last all day? The answer is no. So, what I'm going to do now is to set it with my blush on right here. It's from Sephora. Please don't ask me about the shade. Hindi ko na siya mabasa. It's been with me for ages already. And I'm just gonna slowly set my face. Magkalapit kasi sila ng kulay. That's why I like using this blush. I'm just going to use my Hoola. Time to contour my nose. I'm using my Laura Mercier translucent powder. Just gonna lightly set my face. I'm just gonna slightly bake my face right here because we're going for a nighttime look. And while I'm baking, I'm just going to apply my falsies and I'm gonna get back to you guys. Guys! Ooh, what can you say? So since this is going to be a nighttime look, the lashes should be very dramatic. So I use my Lily lashes. So now that we're almost done, I'm just gonna dust off lahat ng mga pinang-set natin na setting powder sa face. I'm just gonna set my face again, Fix Plus. While we're letting it sit on our face, I'm just going to apply my mascara right here. Not forgetting about my lower lash line. Now that I can feel that the Fix Plus is drying, let's not forget our highlighter. Mas maganda kasi yung highlighter pagka patuyo pa lang yung Fix Plus. Mas naglo-glow yung skin mo once you use your highlighter. So for the nose, like so. So now guys, for the very last step, I'm saving the best for last. I'm going to use the shade Mood for our lips kasi nighttime look to, so kailangan very dramatic yung itsura natin. So, a red lipstick will not do. So, it has to give you that mood. So, I'm using the shade Mood. It has a very mauve shade into it. Yan. What I love about this shade, kasi kahit fluff matte siya, even if they say it is a matte shade, it's very lightweight. And when I say it's lightweight, parang kumbaga it feels like your second skin. It doesn't feel like it's drying. It smoothly glides on your lips kahit ganun nyo siya sa lips nyo, kahit mag-pucker up kayo. It doesn't feel heavy. By the way guys, just take note, this fluff mattes are hindi siya transfer proof. So if I am going to, let's say, drink from a straw, see, it's gonna transfer. So, wag kayong mag-expect na porque matte siya, it's gonna stay on your lips forever because it won't. So guys, this is the final look. And I hope you enjoyed this tutorial / hit or miss video that I created for you guys. And sa mga titas dyan, I really hope you learned something on this video. And mukha lang siyang mahirap, pero once you guys know the techniques about makeup and everything will seem easy for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial, and if you have any more questions for me or if you want me to create another look for you guys, this one is obviously great for a nighttime party look, but if you wanted me to create other looks, please let me know in the comment section. And if you have questions about Sunnie's face for me, please also hit me up in the comment section. And if you enjoyed this, please hit up the like button so I know that you enjoyed this video, so I know what to create next. And I'll see you guys on the next one. I love you all. Bye!